Tapos, laro nga pala tayo ng Mobile Legends at yan, gamit ko nga si Sora. Guys, baka magkabagay may nako guys. Baka may nako. Tapusin mo nga yung Sylvana na para sa dali pa tayo naman. So ito build ko. Yan, nililit ko yung build.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
You can't have an adventure without getting some sand in your shoes. The tribe elder once said, "The only compass an adventurer needs is their determination." Today's forecast, cloudy.
Umalis ka dito, boy. Umalis ka dito, boy. Umalis ka.
The wind just right.
Enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Thundercloud. Thundercrack. Gotcha.
Solo kill. Great play.
When in doubt, follow the clouds. Ever get beat up by a cloud? Cascade!
Sus, tapang ng Sylvana na yun.
Killing spree.
Sus,
Mega kill.
Cloud Buster! Hey, I've seen this from the traveling caravans. Take this!
hindi ako nag-ulti ah.
Solo kill. Stop launch attack.
Kasi,
Take this! Whoosh! The wind's just right! Take this!
An ally has slain the turtle.
so guys, hindi to yung account, pero yung isa kong account, meron akong number 35, na badge na 35 itong
My motto?
So,
Just
at
one more
least,
step.
diba,
There's
number
bigger
35
adventure
tayo
ahead.
dito. Bigyan ko kaibigan ko. Kayo pre, number 35 ako.
Mega kill.
Bakit?
Your team destroyed the turtle.
Take this! Ever get beat up by...
Ay, sayang. Kasi, nakatake lang ako low-hit. Mahina ka lang naman, boss. Watch out for ambush. Puro ambush ko mo yan.
Understood.
Kahit magtulungan pa kayo ni Salva, kahit magtulungan pa si Silva na pati si Hanabi, wala lang sneak attack at walang takbuhan. Ito-dominate ko naman.
Ally has been slain.
Cascade!
Instant kill. Killing spree.
Guys, halata naman na lag, diba? Kita nyo naman yung lag ako.
Your team destroyed
Today's forecast, cloudy.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Ay, si Karina pala. Guys, di ko na kasi kilala mga MLB heroes.
Cascade! The fiercer the storm, the more thrilling the ride.
Mega kill. Legendary.
The wind's just right.
An enemy has been slain.
Today's forecast,
Pinag-carry
cloudy.
ang team. Sige, dyan kayo makipaglaban. Meron ako free tower. Na,
Find an
Valerie.
Just believe that it's there. Whoosh! Ever get beat up by a cloud? Cumulus cloud!
Mega kill.
Cloud buster!
You have slain an enemy. Your team destroyed a turret. Unstoppable.
Today,
Team destroyed a turret.
whoosh! Take this! Cumulus cloud! Hoorah!
Killing spree.
The wind's on my side. The wind's just right.
Spree.
My motto? Step. There's an even bigger adventure ahead. Ever get beat up by a cloud? Whoosh!
Shut down.
Whoa! How long has this been buried under the sand?
So guys, si Sora talaga, kailangan nyo talaga ng mga defense items. Kasi ano siya, alam nyo na yung,
I love the
alam
wind.
nyo na yung
It always
Squishy Heroes. So kailangan yung mga dominance ay sa Athena Shield. Pero build ko lang. Perfect kung build ka nito.
Today's forecast, cloudy.
Your team destroyed a turret.
So, diba? May pag-asa pa. Oh.
Monster.
Sinilangay. Ang
enemy has been slain.
gagawin may pag-asa pa.
Double kill. Wiped out.
Guys, naglalag na ako yung partida. Kita nyo sa screen, naglalag.
Your team destroyed a turret.
To the storm, the more thrilling the ride.
Okay. Kung gusto nyo maglaban sa labas, dito tayo maglalaban sa labas, hindi sa loob, bossing. Hindi sa loob ng tore, boss. Hindi sa loob ng tore. Sino ba kayo sa tingin nyo? Ay, sayang. Okay lang yan, guys. Okay lang yan. Ganyan si Leslie, 5 beses lang. Okay lang yan, at least 5 yung kills. At least even. 5. Che, kule. Mag-push kayo. Ba't tayo mag-push? Yung mga kumpi ko kasi ayaw mag-push. Ganyan minsan ako natatalo guys kasi yung iba nag-TP-TP. Paano tayo mananalo kung hindi ka mag-push, bossy?
My adventure won't end here.
Kaya ako nga binibili muna yung defense items, yun muna yung pinapokusan ko eh. Para hindi agad ako one hit ng mga,
Oh, you can't have an
alam mo,
adventure
hero
without
na
getting
malakas
some
ang
sand.
damage. Love, di ko nagamit ulti ko. Bro, I literally use my ult.
Shut down. Double kill.
Ganyan na tayo, ML Isa na lang. Ang item ko, Blade of the Spot. Is pag ginamit nito talaga itong build na to.
Raising the turret.
Kita nyo naman, naglalag ako.
I can always drift back together.
Hallelujah.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Bala ka dyan. Kung gusto mo kayo paglaban, hindi sa loob, sa labas.
Just believe that it's there.
Lalabas? Ako papasok ako. Papasukan kita eh. Papasok ako dyan sa turret para makalaban ka?
Ever get beat up by a
Diba,
cloud?
naglalag pa?
Shut down. Your team destroyed a turret has been slain.
Nagkagaso ka. Ba't walang tumutulong? Wala ba akong kakampi, guys? Wow, wala akong kakampi, guys. Wow. Ang bubotlogis. Ayaw nyo kasi mag-push. Tingnan nyo, oh. Punitin nyo na lang eh. Ayaw nyo pa punit. Ayaw nyo pa punitin. Nung klase yan. Ha? Balatan nyo na yan. Ayaw nyo pa punitin eh. Hallelujah! So guys, at sinabi ko, ibang account ko. So, dito hindi pa ako epic. Naman pa lang. Grandmaster. Pero guys, malalakas na laban ko. Totoo na sila guys. Hindi na sila bot.
The clouds are ever shifting, but this heart remains steadfast.
Wala ko si Parsa. Di ba? Si Parsa hayop na hayop sa kill eh. Kill lang naman yan, boss. Ba't ka hayop na hayop sa kill? Grabe naman. So, guys, try to like and subscribe. Bye!